Now this is kind of a stretch to call this a chicken composter, but just wanted to show you this because it works really well, and it might be something you hadn't thought about. This is where my chickens stay during the day or when I'm not letting them out. And this end gate that you can see here is actually, I can take that off. It'll come off of there like a gate, and my tractor bucket will go up in there so I can dump stuff in. I can also run the bucket up in there and shovel up the compost into there. But I just, day before yesterday, I filled this up. This is the litter out of the barn where the goats stay, and it's got a lot of hay in it. And so if I were to just throw that in my garden, it would grow a lot of grass. And so I put it in here, and they work through it, and you know, in no time they have turned it into black compost. I can show you right here. This is what I dug out of there. Right there. That's what they worked it in. And they worked that in, oh, it was probably 3 or 4 weeks that it took them, but there was a lot in there. I put, it was about 1/4 of a round bale of hay that had been out in the field and it kind of rotted a little bit. And then some litter from the barn and some stuff like that. But this is right off of my garden, and I just throw everything off in here. Now this is the upper side of my chicken composter, and this is just a little door that we've got in here that we can open and throw stuff down. So as you're cleaning the garden up here, you just throw all the trash down there, and as you can see, they're used to getting goodies through this door, and so they just wait down there and you throw it in there and they get to work. And then if you'll throw, every now and then they get to where they're not paying much attention to the compost, and so I'll come in and I'll throw some scratch in there, and you know, they stir that around and get it lost down in there, and they'll dig for it. And so it's a way to make compost without really ever having to turn it yourself. The chickens do all the work. Anyway, hope you like that idea. Thank you for watching.